What do you think about the dear universe? Is that a bag of mysteries or a colorful place to live in? In fact, this is a colorful place with a bag of mysteries. And in that bag, if we solve one, there rises 10 more questions which are answerless and those again turn to mysteries. From an atom in our body to a large supermassive black hole, every single part is a mystery. We say that there are many mysteries in the world, but in fact, our universe itself is a mysterious one. Now, in that bag of mysteries, let's discuss about top 5 mysteries in this video. This is Quantum Time, and here's top 5 mysteries of our universe. In the year 2003, Michael Brown, Char, and David Robin discovered a dwarf planet called Sedna. And stop. What's a dwarf planet exactly mean? Once, in a conference at IAU, they started a conversation about the exact definition and characteristics of a planet. Lastly, they finalized 3 qualities that a planet should hold. And they are that should revolve around the sun in a specific orbit, that should be nearly in a spherical shape, and the orbit in which that planet is traveling should be clear. And the planets which don't satisfy only the third quality were considered as dwarf planets. Likewise, Sedna is also a dwarf planet. But there is something special about Sedna. Every celestial object which revolves around its star has a circular or elliptical orbit. But eminently, Sedna has an elongated orbit like this. And to have such an elongated orbit, it must be influenced by another planet's gravitational force. Our last planet in our solar system is Neptune. That means Neptune should influence Sedna. But there is no chance for that because we know that the distance between Sun and Earth is considered as 1 astronomical unit, and the distance between Neptune and Sedna is 38 astronomical units. So it's an impossible case for Neptune to influence Sedna. At first, astronomers too didn't bother about this much, but later they found 20 such planets having an elongated orbit. And these planets would have these orbits only if there is another massive planet which influences these orbits. But till now we found none. Then what is the planet which is influencing these 20 dwarf planets' orbits? Means, is there any other planet after Neptune? In late 2019, something happened which shocked all the astronomers. Till now, we humans have discovered many things regarding our universe, but the discovery of 2019 led to many unfamiliar thoughts. On 2019, when astronomers were observing our space through a radio telescope in Australia, they observed a weird celestial object which is in the form of a nebula. But this object didn't match to any nebula or any other celestial object which was discovered till then. And to know the color and temperature of a particular celestial object, it must emit light containing all wavelengths. But especially in this case, it just emits radio waves only. So hence to see that, astronomers used radio telescopes and named it as ORC, or radio circles. It is such a large celestial object that we can insert many galaxies like our Milky Way in that. Some scientists are saying that these are the wormholes which connects 2 places of 2 different universes. According to general theory of relativity, these can exist. We know that gravitational force pulls the object towards it. If we apply this to our universe, the universe shouldn't expand or shrink but should remain constant. But according to Edwin Hubble, it was proved that our universe is expanding since our universe was started by a Big Bang. But gravitational force pulls everything towards it. But this is not happening in reality. So, is there some other energy which is dominating the gravitation and making our universe to expand? But though scientists are searching for that, still they didn't find anything. So they concluded that it's invisible and named it as dark energy. But none detected that in clear. So is this really present? Over centuries, there existed one question from which the exploration of our universe was started. But till now, we didn't get the answer. So you may have understood by now that is life on other planets. The formation of life on Earth haven't happened luckily. It's really so complex one. We know that there are millions of planets in our galaxy, and in our universe there are millions of galaxies. So finally, there are billions of planets in our universe. So in that billion, any other planet apart from Earth would also have life on that. We know that the life on Earth would be extincted after some million years. So we have to search for another habitable planet to continue our humanity. There are also some proofs for alien, and the trending one is Oumuamua, which is the first interstellar asteroid made up of iron and nickel. Some scientists argued that it's a satellite which was launched by alien civilization, like how we launched Voyager 1 and 2. And some are saying that it's a separated part of alien UFO. So, are there aliens in real? What if we get into a black hole? Black holes are the objects formed after the supernova of massive stars. These black holes are the objects which have large gravitational force so that even light too can't escape from that. So we can't see them normally. These black holes have a huge gravitational force such that it can also grab stars which are more massive than our sun. So what if we get into that? This was the biggest riddle that was found ever. Some scientists are saying that if we go into that, then due to its gravitational force, each bit of our body would be elongated in slightly different directions. The event horizon of a black hole is the point of no return. And some say that this black hole is the connection to another universe, and if we pass through that, we would get out from a white hole which leads to another universe. And some say that anything that passes will be swallowed by the black hole and forever vanish from our known universe. But there is no correct conclusion to this mystery and remain answerless. So that's it guys for today's video, and meet you back in our next video.